So this is an interesting one. We've got Japanese knotweed growing here, and it is growing on the other side of the fence. Now if you look here, you can see that what's happened is it's been excavated and a root barrier has been put in. And this is one of the reasons why I don't like root barriers, especially on building sites. I mean, these are new houses that are being built. Would you like to have that growing out of the fence line? Absolutely not. Root barriers do have their place, but they need to be accompanied with, you know, a management plan of any Japanese knotweed on the other side. So this is really important. Additionally, this is another reason why I don't like root barriers. That Japanese knotweed is growing on top of the root barrier or through the root barrier. I can't tell if it's in the rubble. There's some that's definitely where the root barrier has been damaged. That's a massive issue because obviously that's useless now. The Japanese knotweed's literally come through that gap in the and it won't have burst through because these barriers are, you know, guaranteed for 50 years. That's been physically punctured by a spade, a man, whatever. Got the airport next door to us, so sorry about the noise, but here you go. And you round here as well, I don't know if you can see, you've got some more Japanese knotweed again growing either, well, certainly this side of the barrier. If we go underneath here, literally growing, I don't know if you can see, it's growing this side of the barrier, not behind the barrier, which most of it is, but this whole section here is all on this side of the barrier, which signifies either there's a hole in it or it's been backfilled with contaminated soil, obviously contaminated with the rhizomes of the Japanese knotweed. Beautiful healthy plant. September this is, so in full flower, but obviously an absolute nightmare for these people, but we can sort it. So if you'd like to go to our website or give us a ring, and we'll be able to answer any questions you have with regards to Japanese knotweed and root barriers and their ideal use and when they shouldn't be used as well.